Hi guys, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. At first, open your phone dialer. Then enter a secret code, which is *pound or £6. And here you've got device information along with both IMEI numbers. Click on OK, and then you can also find IMEI via settings. So at first open the settings, then enter System, go to About Phone, and here select Status. And now you can smoothly read both IMEI numbers. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.